Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the casserole is clean and well seasoned so food won't stick. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees 200 degrees and put the empty dish inside to avoid thermal shock. This step also helps even cooking. Once warm, apply a thin layer of oil or butter to the interior if the recipe calls for it, and transfer ingredients quickly to keep the dish hot. Make sure to use mitts and a trivet because cast iron retains heat intensely. You sear proteins or sauté aromatics on medium heat to build flavor, using a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. Once browned, assemble remaining ingredients and, when ready, transfer the casserole to the preheated oven. Lift by handles rather than dragging so you don't damage surfaces. Make sure to use the lid when the recipe needs moisture retention. Conversely, remove it near the end if you want a golden crust. Monitor internal temperature with a thermometer for consistent results. You finish by resting the dish 10-15 minutes so juices redistribute and carryover heat completes cooking. This makes serving cleaner and juicier. Once cool enough to handle, remove food and decide whether to reseason if sticking occurred. Apply about 1 tsp oil and heat briefly to restore the layer. If something goes wrong, like rust or food stuck badly, scrub gently, dry thoroughly, and bake with a thin oil coat to reseason. Make sure to cool before washing to prevent warping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.